Hi friends, welcome to Sumi's Maths tutorial. This is Sumitra Bhaskar. If you like my channel, please subscribe it and share it. Hi friends, today I am going to teach class 8 exercise 2.2 10th sum. This is NCERT chapter 2, that is linear equations in one variable. 10th problem. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. What they given? The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Here, the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So boys are 8 members more when we compare with girls. Come to the solution. The ratio of boys and girls is equal to 7:5. The ratio of boys and girls is equal to 7:5. So we have to separate that one. Therefore, number of boys is equal to 7x. And number of girls is equal to 5x. Whenever you get the ratio to separate it, just we have to multiply with x. That's all. So it is very simple. 7x boys and 5x girls. Given that the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So what is the strength of boys? It is 8 extra when compared with girls. So if we add 8 to the girls, those two are equal. That is 7x is boys is equal to 5x plus 8. So girls are 5x. If we add 8 to that, these two becomes boys and girls becomes 8. Why? The girls are 8 less. Otherwise, the boys are 8 more. Both are same. So 7x. I am writing all the x terms to one side. So bringing this side. Here it is plus. When it comes this side is equal to this side becomes minus. So 7x minus 5x is equal to 8. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 is equal to 2. That is 2x is equal to 8. And x is equal to 8. It is multiplying here. When it comes this side divides. 2 4s are 8. That is equal to 4. Now the number of boys. We got the value of x. Now substituting this, number of boys is equal to how much? X. So 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28. Next, number of girls, 5x. 5 into 4, that is 20. What is the question? Find the total number of children in the class. So that is, total strength of the class is equal to 28 plus 20. 8, 2 plus 2, 4. This is the 10th problem. Now come to the 11th problem. Baicheng's father is 26 years younger than Baicheng's grandfather. Here one boy Baicheng. He has father and grandfather. Baicheng's grandfather is 26 years younger than Baicheng's grandfather. His grandfather's age we don't know. But his father is 26 years younger. So leave that matter because we don't know the Baicheng's father age. Come to the second line. And 29 years older than Baicheng's. It's common because the fathers are older than children. So now we want the age of Baicheng. Next what they given? The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. Whose age is? Baicheng's age plus Baicheng's father's age plus Baicheng's grandfather's age. The total age is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? So now we have to calculate the ages of Baicheng, Baicheng's father and Baicheng's grandfather. Okay. Now let us assume the age of Baicheng is equal to x years. We don't know the age of Baicheng. So we are assuming it as x years. Given his father age is 29 years older than Baicheng. Father is how much? 29 years older. So the age of Baicheng's father is equal to x plus 29. Why? The age of Baicheng is x plus 29 years older he is father. So x plus 29. This is Baicheng age is equation 1 and Baicheng's father age is equation 2. Also given that Baicheng's father is 29 years younger than Baicheng's grandfather. Baicheng's father is 26 years younger than Baicheng's grandfather. That means Baicheng's grandfather is 26 years older than his father. Is it? Younger means is older. Baicheng's grandfather is older than Baicheng's father. Grandfather is older than father. So how many years old grandfather older? 26 years. That is Baicheng's grandfather age is older than Baicheng's father. So what is the age of Baicheng's father? X plus 29 is age of Baicheng's father plus 26 we have to add to his grandfather. So x plus 29 plus 26, this is equation 3. Afterwards we add, no problem, leave it. If you want to add, you can add here also. Sum of the ages of the 3 is equal to 135 years. They given the age of 3 members, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 35. What is the first one? Age of Baicheng, that is x. So I am writing here x. What is the second one? Age of Baicheng's father, that is x plus 29 years. So I am writing x plus 29. What is the age of Baicheng grandfather? X plus 29 plus 26, that is x plus 29 plus 26 is equal to 135. That is this value they given in the textbook. What you have to do? Just we have to simplify this one. X plus x plus x. How many x are there? 3x. So 3x plus 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus 26. I am adding here 29, 29, 26. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So, this is 3x plus 84 is equal to 135. Now, we want the value of x only. So, one by one I am sending that side. First, I am sending this term. Here is plus 8x. I am sending that side. Becomes minus x. So, 135 minus 84. That is equal to 51. So 3x is equal to 51. We want the value of x. So x is equal, here it is multiplying, when it comes this side divides. So 51 by 3, that is equal to 17. X is equal to 17. What is x? First one, the age of Baicheng is equal to x is equal to 17 years. What is the second one? The age of Baicheng's father is equal to x plus 29, that is equal to 17 plus 29. Here 9 plus 7, 16, 1, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, here plus 1, 4. That is Baicheng's father is age is equal to 46 years. Next come to the third equation. Age of Baicheng's grandfather is equal to x plus 29 plus 26. That is equal to 17 plus 29 plus 26. That is equal to 72 years. Next, come to the 12th one. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? 15 years from now. Today onwards, 15 years we have to take. Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. We don't know the age of Ravi. So, let us assume solution. Let us assume the Ravi's present age be x. We are taking the Ravi's present age is x years. 15 years from now. So from here onwards 15 years. that is equal to x plus 15 years. Here 15 years from now means we have to add 15 years. Is equal, that for what equal? 4 times his present age. 4 times his present age means we have to multiply with 4. So that is equal 4 into x years, because x is equal present age. So they given that these two are equal. Is equal they told. So x plus 15 is equal to, that is x plus 15 is equal to 4x. In plus, I am writing all the terms one side. 4x minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. That is equal to 4x minus x is equal to 3x is equal to 0. 3x is equal to, I am sending this minus 15 that side, becomes plus 15. X is equal to 15. It is multiplying via, when it comes this side divides. 3 5s are 15. What is this? This is the x. What is x? Therefore, the present age of Ravi is equal to x years and x is equal to 5 years. If you like this, please like it and subscribe my channel and share to others also. Thank you.